Hidden treasure, plain Jane on the outside, party house on the inside. Home located within 1/2 mile of Reading Hospital and prestigious Wyomissing Park. Custom built to entertain large family functions and general socializing. Kitchen has 38 handle cabinetry with center island that seats 8, wine rack, 2 oven/cooktops and adjacent laundry/pantry. Dining room table seats 20 people, included in sale. Great room/living room with extended cathedral ceiling with skylight, chocolate marble gas fireplace, double mantle with mirror, leading to 12 by 30 outdoor deck west/covered 30 by 40 roof, overlooking 30 by 40 concrete patio, 9 picnic tables/seating for 72 people included in sale, plus food area and additional 24 by 40 open air patio with brick enclosed half wall. Back inside we have a master suites shared by a common see-through gas fireplace. Again, chocolate marble with matching double